Welcome to my new video, dear viewers. In this video, I am going to discuss about in details question paper in English scholarship examination 2025. So basically, what the students of class 5 in our primary schools, the old primary schools of Bangladesh, the scholarship exam will be get a chance per school 40% students, and the English question papers I am going to discuss about this. First, government primary school scholarship examination 2025, and total question 13 and total marks 100, and this is as usual, but this question number 1 to 13 are little bit difference for the scholarship examination, or this is not the same our terminal examination, first terminal or second terminals and so on. So who are the basically scholarship exams candidate? This video is appropriate for them and primary schools teachers, basically English teachers, and who will be get a chance for the scholarship examination. So just watch this video and listen to me carefully. I'm going to discuss about in details in English. So this scholarship exam also are taken two phases or text or diagram or context. One is selected from this EFT book. This is called synthesis, and students read the text or diagram carefully, and will be answered question number 1, 2 and 3. And what will be the question titles? First, match the given words to their meaning. That means matching, and marks 5 only. Question number 2, make meaningful sentences with the given words. Meaningful sentences with the given words. Here, design a table and contain some words. Students will read these statements and select any appropriate word from the box. Okay, in this way. Question number 3, and make meaningful sentences with the given words, marks 5, and answer the question in sentence. Question number 3, here marks 18. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. So, dear viewers, first an English question, select passage, text, dialogue or diagram from this EFT books, and total marks 28. 3 questions. First, matching and fill in the blanks or make sentences, meaningful sentences, and answering questions. And unseen passage. Question number 4, 5 and 6. Dear viewers, here is also select passage, dialogue, diagrams or any text, but will not taken from our EFT books. This unseen passage will be taken another book or another story, and our students will be read the unseen passage or text diagram carefully and will be answered question number 4, 5 and 6. Question number 4, fill in the blanks, marks 5, and multiple choice questions 5. Here is also answer the following questions. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Unseen passage total marks 25. Seen passage marks 28. Unseen passage 25. In this way, question number 7 makes WH question. make WH question mark 6. Here is 6 statements and underline some word or words, and students read the sentences and try to understand and use the WH question. Mark 6. Question number 8. Rearrange the given word sentences story. There is also 6 marks. Rearrange words to make sentences or story. Here is 6 sentences will given a story or a meaningful story, dialogue or sense or something, and a student will be rearrange this according to their knowledge. The words, sentence or story will be the meaningful. Okay, and it's mark also 6. And rewrite the sentences using capital letters and punctuation marks. Here is capital letters and punctuation marks, comma, full stop, question marks, quotation marks, exclamation marks, and capital letters where necessary. And here is also 0.5 into 10, 5 marks. So our primary students, basically who are the students of class 5, they will be able to learn about this where we use capital letters, comma, full stop, question marks, punctuation marks and quotation marks and so on. And the next question, number 10, fill up the form or blanks. Here is also a text or diagram. Our student also try to fill up this blank, marks 5. Here students read these sentences or phrases and use time, days and daily routine and so on, and just try to fill up the form or blanks. And next 11, complete the sentences text using correct form of verb. 5. Here is 5 separate sentences or passages where 5 correction using right form of verb. Our students read the sentences and try to understand what will be the correct form of verb. This is the most important things in English language, I think, because without correct form of verb, our meaning will completely change. So, if we would like to speak English or higher classes or in future life, we should try to carefully practice about these topics, right form of verbs. This is 5 marks. And 12, question number 12, write simple personal letters. This is as much as common. Personal letters. Here, just order our students write simple personal letters or clues will be given. And this mark 10. And the last question number 13. Write a short composition. Write a short composition, that means paragraph. Here is also free writing. Write a short composition about this. Or here is also contain a set of questions. By answering a set of questions, write a short composition by answering a set of questions. This is also 10 marks. So, dear viewers, sing passage 28, unsing passage 25, and this 7 to 13 total marks 47, total 100. This is the total scholarship exams questions in 2005 with their marks distributions, and I am going to review this again. in English. Question number 1 to 13. Total marks 100. And we have two passages. One is scene passage. Our student read the scene passage carefully, and this scene passage will be taken from our EFT books. This book, and the students read this carefully and answer 1, 2, 3 questions. And similarly, an unseen passage will be taken, but at that time this unseen passage will not taken from our EFT books, and the students will be answer 4, 5 and 6 number questions. Total marks 25 here. In this way 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Total marks 100. So, dear students or dear viewers, I cordially request you all, if you would like to know about in details the question pattern in the question in English scholarship exam 2025, watch this video again and again and practice more and more. If you would like to get a good result in your near scholarship examination, and may Allah bless you or help you in these topics, and see you the next video. So Allah Hafiz.